In this video, I will show you how to connect your trading account to a master account in the EPFX CopyTrader. First, we will go to the provider leaderboard to see what providers are performing well. In this case, we can see that Type M Aggressive is doing well and has made 3% gains so far. This is the one I would like to subscribe to. We will navigate to the Investment Offers tab. Here we can see all of the available offers from master traders. We can see the name of their profile, their performance fees, and the minimum balance requirements. In this case, I would like to subscribe to Type M Aggressive, so I will click the Invest button. I can review the details of the subscription and then click Continue. I will choose Create New Account and click Continue. In the Account Type field, I will choose Follower Account and then click Continue. I can select my desired leverage and then click Continue. Here it will show me my account number and I will receive an email with the login details for my new account. Now notice the message in blue at the top. It warns me that I will not be able to subscribe my account to this master account because my balance is under the limit. This means that the master trader requires a certain amount to be in my account in order to subscribe to them. If you look under the minimum balance field, you can see that the master trader requires that I have at least $2,000 in my account to subscribe to them. So I will need to transfer at least $2,000 to this account. I can do this by clicking the Transfer button. This will open a new tab for me to complete the transfer process. I will choose Transfer From as my wallet and the Transfer to Account as the account we just created. Then click Continue. Type in the amount you wish to transfer to the account. In this case, I must have at least $2,000, so I will transfer $2,000 to this account and click Continue. Now that the funds are in my account, I can navigate back to my previous tab and click Continue to complete the subscription process. On this screen, please make sure to notice the blue box that warns me that my subscription is not yet active. I must set up my risk parameters on the subscription before my account can copy trades. If I do not do this, no trades will be copied to my account. We can configure these settings by scrolling down to the subscription configuration section. There will be 3 different sections I will need to apply settings. We will start with filters, which help me filter out which trades my account should copy, so we will click Edit. Under the Direction field, we can choose Buy, which means it will only copy buys. We can choose Sell, which will only copy sells, or we can choose All, which will copy all of the trades. The minimum lot size field, we can set a minimum lot size that must be taken in order for my account to copy the trade. In this case, I will just set it to the minimum, which is 0.01. In the maximum lot size section, we can put a maximum, which will prevent my account from copying the trade if the lot size taken is greater than my max lot size. In this case, I will put 2.0 since my account is only $2,000 and then click Continue. Next, we will edit the strategy section by clicking the Edit button. For volume scaling, we will leave it on auto scaling so that the lot sizes taken on the master account are scaled up or scaled down in proportion to my account balance. We can set the compared values for auto scaling to either balance or equity. In this case, I will choose balance. Then we must set our risk ratio. This is where I can increase or decrease the risk from trades copied to my account. If I wish to increase it, I input a value greater than 1, like 1.5 or 2. If I wish to decrease the risk, then I enter a value less than 1, like 0.75 or 0.5. In this case, I will leave it at 1. For copy direction, we will leave it as direct and then click Continue. Then the final step to fully activate our subscription, we need to edit the risk management settings by clicking the Edit button. For the total loss field, I can input a value here that limits to maximum total loss on my account from this subscription. So if I place 200 here, this means the most my account can lose from copying trades is $200. If this loss value is reached, I can use the system to take a specific action for the subscription and also an action for the open trades. For the subscription, I can choose to keep the subscription, unsubscribe from the master. I will choose Suspend the subscription. For the open trades, I can choose to keep all, close unprofitable, or close all unprofitable. I will choose Close All to prevent further loss. I can edit the same parameters for total profit and total floating loss. For total profit, I will leave these empty as I do not want to limit how much profit I can make. For floating loss, I will set the same parameters I did for total loss at the top. Then I will click Continue. At last, we have fully configured the risk setting for our subscription, and we are now ready to activate the subscription. We will do this by clicking the green Activate button. Now my account will copy the next trade's take by the master account if they meet my configured settings. If at any time I would like to suspend or unsubscribe from the master, I can do so by navigating to the My Subscriptions tab. Then we will locate the subscription, and I can edit the risk configurations by clicking Edit or Suspend or Unsubscribe. As always, thanks for watching.